What's that?
Hi guys, Chef Spud with another recipe that you can do at home during lockdown, made super easy because I'm not a chef. Today we're going to make cheese straws because I made some cheese straws the other day, put a few pictures on my Insta stories and everyone said, when are you going to do a recipe on how to make cheese straws? So that's what we're doing today. You may be able to hear the rain in the background on the conservatory roof because summer's officially finished and it's pouring with rain. And keep sending in your pictures. I've had loads of pictures, people sending in the hash browns that they've made, the chips that they've made and the chickpeas they've made, which is brilliant. Also shout out to my mate Steve because I watched his video and that's why I went and made cheese straws, so I'll put a link to his video down in the description.
You don't even know how to do that, do you?
Yeah, I've done it on some other videos, thanks very much. You will need puff pastry, rolled or as a block, just means you've got to roll it out, not a drama. Cheese, obviously. Mustard, even if you don't like mustard, it's mega. Baking paper to put on the baking tray because puff pastry is a bit inclined to stick to baking tray. And a rolling pin. Right, first things first, bit of flour on the side. I always feel like a pro chef chucking flour on the side. Then, get your puff pastry. Bit of flour on your rolling pin as well, and roll it out. Try and roll it one direction if you can. One direction, because then you end up with equal length cheese straws.
Just stepped on my foot.
There you go, that should do the job. Another little top tip for cutting the pastry, pizza cutter. Next step, mustard. I use a, what do you call that, spatula?
Yeah.
I use a spatula to spread the mustard out because it's a bit easier than a knife. Even if you don't like mustard, you can hardly taste it, it just brings out the flavour in the cheese once it's all cooked. Next up, grate your cheese. You want a decent amount, but if you put loads on, it kind of runs out when it's cooking. Then what I do, which makes it easier to cut, is just pat the cheese down, like so. I don't know what happened to that bit of cheese. Before we start cutting and twisting the cheese straws, we're going to preheat the oven. 180 degrees on a fan oven, 200 degrees non-fan oven, or gas mark 6. See, I'm getting pro at this. Tell you what, I've hardly got any flour on me, so. You want to cut them about a couple of inches wide, I guess. It's a lot easier cutting it with a pizza cutter.
You should have cut it with the better. You should have cut it with this.
And you want to roll them fairly tight, kind of at about a 45-degree angle, because as they cook they will expand. Anyway, something like that. And then for extra Gordon Ramsay bonus points, a beaten egg brushed over the top. And then into the oven. And then leave them in there for about 10-15 minutes until they're nice and golden, which gives you perfect time to clear up another milky brew. Oh yeah. Oh yes. They look pretty good. Right, you can either let them cool here, or if you've got them, some cooling trays. Look at that. There you go, super quick, easy cheese twists, cheese straws, whatever they are. We're serving them today with a bit of leftover soup that we had yesterday on the lovely, wet, miserable day that it is, and let's have a taste. Best to eat when they're still warm. Go in. Come bite.
Yeah.
Don't force yourself.
That's good.
They're good, aren't they? There we go. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, go make some cheese straws. See you next time. You can use chocolate spread for, guess what? Chocolate twists. I've microwaved the chocolate spread for about a minute just to make it a bit more runny and easier to spread. Oh yes! May have put a little bit too much chocolate spread in them. but you can never have too much chocolate spread.
Yeah, boy.
Bonus Gordon Ramsay points is icing sugar on top.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
No, I'm not going to say that. Before we start cutting and twisting the cheese and pastry, cheese pastry.
Just say cheese straws.
Yeah.
Before we start cutting
Okay.
the cheese straw.
Okay. I won't say cheese straws like that because.
Oh my gosh. I've already said that.
You know, I said it rubbishly.
Rubbishly is not a word.
Whoa, well done.